Hello students, this is part 15 of series Genetics class 12 NCERT. So today we will discuss the mutation caused due to structure of chromosome. In last class, I have discussed about the sets in chromosome, change in sets in chromosome as well as in the diploid set. So today we will discuss the change in structure of chromosome. So structure of chromosome. So in structure of chromosome, we can take, this is the structure of chromosome having genes are arranged linearly A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here what happened, if there is any cut or there is any addition, so all this happens with the chromosome, then there is change in phenotype as well as the function of the organism or the cell itself. So in structure of chromosome, the different types of situation arises, that is we can tell, that is deletion, then duplication, then we can tell translocation, and then we will discuss the inversion. So we will discuss one by one what happens particularly in these situations. So in deletion process, particularly deletion, what happens, if this is the initial chromosome, then what happens, this type of situation may arise, that is A, B, C, D, E and F. So here this GH, from this GH, this is deleted, and because of the terminal position, so this is called the situation of terminal deletion. And then another situation may come, that we can tell interstitial deletion, and in this case what happens, let's see, this type of situation may occur, that is A, B and E, F, G, H. That means in this case what happened, this here the cord was there and this was not here, and here what happens, this CD, in this region the cord is there and there is absence of CD genes. So this absence of CD genes, this is called interstitial deletion. Deletions. So this is deleted means what, the part is lost and it has very lethal effect. And then we will discuss the duplication. In duplication what happens, suppose this is the parent chromosome, if we will find this type of situation, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So here this EF region is duplicated twice and this is called duplication process, and in this way this is the chromosome what we will find having the more number of same genes. So this is called duplication process. And then we will discuss this translocation and the inversion process. So this translocation and inversion is very important. So this translocation process that happens, that is translocation. This translocation, what happens, there is shifting of a part of chromosome, shifting of a part of chromosome, shifting of a part of chromosome particularly to another, shifting of a part of chromosome to another non-homologous chromosome. So here what happens, if this is the parent chromosome, we will get this type of structure. It is better to learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, K, L. So this part is really removed from another non-homologous chromosome and get added up here. So this is very important. So particularly at the time of meiosis, this will create the problem, that is this induces faulty pairing at the time of meiosis. So this is the problem arises, and this class of translocation has very significant role or evolutionary significance in as the reciprocal translocation or segmental interchange. Reciprocal translocation or segmental interchange. Segmental interchange is there. And then this happens, what we do take into example, the example that is what we can get, that is chronic myelogenous leukemia. We can abbreviate as CML, that is the blood cancer. So this is because of this disease is caused because of the translocation of segment of long arm from the long arm of the chromosome, that is chromosome number 22 to the chromosome number 9. So here what happened, a part of this, particularly this 22 chromosome, what we call the Philadelphia chromosome, because of the discovery of this chromosome, when the scientists they found that there is sudden shortening of the chromosome, and the institute where it is found, according to this the name it is given the Philadelphia chromosome. 22 number is, and here one part is what happens here, the translocated to the 9th chromosome and cause this chronic myelogenous leukemia in case of human. So here what happens, so this type of problems arises, and this is very lethal. So this is called the translocation process. So non-homologous part transferred, here the 22 and 9, these are the non-homologous chromosome. So a part transferred and cause this type of chronic myelogenous leukemia. And then we will discuss the inversion process. Inversion process. So inversion means inverted. So particularly what happened, suppose this is the chromosome, this is the chromosome, initial chromosome. So we can draw here the structure of initial chromosome. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Then what happens, this inversion means there will be the cut, and there is rotation of 180 degree. So this rotation of 180 degree, suppose this is the result chromosome, let it be, you see here A, B, D, C, E, F, G, H. So here what happens, there is no involvement of centromere here. The centromere is not involved here, only the part of the chromosomal arm C, D. So this is called your paracentric inversion. Paracentric inversion. Para means there is no involvement of centromere, only part is cut and 180 degree rotation. C, D was there, here DC is there. So in pericentric inversion, the peri means the to surround. So in pericentric inversion, peri means to surround. So here the centromere is involved. Suppose a cut occur from this and here this. So D and E is involved. So we can see what is the result. So here what happened, this is A, B, C, then this is E and D, F, G, H. So this type of results, that is called pericentric inversion. So in this way there is change in the chromosome, and this has very type of aberration as hazardous effects, like our causing cancer, particularly in case of deletion, and here translocation, etc. So this has very significant effect and very lethal effect also. So this is all about the change in structure of chromosome, and in the next class we will discuss the change in gene itself, or the structure of DNA, sequence of DNA, like that.